In a world where every penny counts, the roller coaster of inflation keeps us on the edge of our financial seats. Brace yourselves because consumer prices are about to take a steep climb, with August poised to deliver the sharpest increase in 14 months, a startling 0.6%. But before you start counting your pennies, let's delve into the nuances. The culprit? Soaring oil prices, which have surged by a staggering 25% since late July, with some parts of the U.S. witnessing gas prices skyrocketing above $4 per gallon. The yearly inflation rate could crest at 3.6% in August, a significant leap from 3.2% in July and a stark contrast to the 27-month low of 3% in June. But here's the twist: strip away the energy factor, and you'll find a different story. The core rate of inflation is expected to rise a more modest 0.2% in August, and the yearly core inflation rate is predicted to drop to a 22-month low of 4.3%. So, are we on a wild ride towards economic stability, or is there a storm brewing on the horizon? In this economic maze, we must ask ourselves, is inflation a passing storm, or is it here to stay? Welcome to Global Economic Drops, where we bring you simple summaries of important daily and weekly economic news from around the world. Our mission is to simplify the economy and help you navigate the treacherous waters facing investors today. So before we get into today's videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications by clicking the bell icon. And if you find our news briefs valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment down below telling us just what you think is going on with the state of the world, and share this video with a friend or two so that you can all stay updated together. Thanks for watching, and now let's dive into it. The relentless surge in oil prices has set the stage for a startling uptick in consumer prices, with August poised to deliver the sharpest increase in 14 months, a significant 0.6%. This jump, as predicted by economists, is primarily attributed to the skyrocketing cost of oil, which has ballooned by nearly 25% since late July, causing gas prices in some parts of the United States to breach the $4 per gallon mark. As a result, the annual inflation rate could surge to 3.6% in August, marking a substantial increase from 3.2% in July and a stark departure from the 27-month low of 3% recorded in June. However, the story becomes more intricate when we focus on core inflation, which excludes the volatile categories of food and energy. The Core Consumer Price Index, CPI, is expected to rise by a more subdued 0.2% in August, in alignment with recent trends. Furthermore, the yearly rate of core inflation is projected to drop to a 22-month low of 4.3%, down from 4.7% in the previous month. While this figure remains significantly above the Federal Reserve's 2% inflation target, it represents a consistent decline from the 40-year high of 6.6% observed just 1 year ago. Economists Aichi Amemiya and Jeremy Schwartz of Nomura suggest that the underlying inflation trend remains soft, indicating that the Fed is likely to maintain its current policy rates through the year's end. One of the primary drivers of inflation has been the escalating costs of housing, with rent and home prices surging. Shelter costs have escalated by 7.7% over the past year, more than double the pre-pandemic levels. The good news is that the rate of increase in rents has begun to taper. In both July and June, rents rose by 0.4%, half the pace witnessed at the beginning of 2023. Federal Reserve officials anticipate a reduction in shelter costs, which will contribute to lowering the inflation rate. However, due to the unique way these costs are calculated in the CPI, significant price shifts may take several months or more to manifest. Yet, in the world of inflation, surprises are the norm. Recent months have seen a sharp decline in the cost of airfares, contributing to 3 consecutive months of low inflation readings since May. Airfares have dropped for 4 consecutive months, including back-to-back declines of 8.1% in July and June. But is this just another quirk in the CPI, or will airfares soon rebound due to rising fuel prices and a surge in air travel? As we navigate this inflationary roller coaster, one must wonder, are we on a path to economic stability? Or are there unforeseen twists and turns ahead? Is inflation a passing storm? Or is it here to stay, impacting our wallets and financial well-being for the foreseeable future? In this turbulent world of inflation, What are your thoughts? Do you believe these price surges are a temporary storm, or do they signal a more lasting economic shift? How has rising inflation affected your financial choices and planning? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on global economic news. See you on the next video, and please like and share if you enjoy our content.